Alight Motion link verification fail is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix a Alight Motion link verification fits. Or I know you try to open any link, it just not. You know it doesn't download the files and it just says that there is verification failure and it does not actually import the files using that link. So how can you fix that? You can fix it by reinstalling the application. Just have to how long press or hold press Alight Machine application in order to uninstall it. So you can uninstall it and after that you can reinstall it. But if you do not want to do that, you just have to go to the settings. By the way, this thing will only work in Android. So here you have to search for apps, and in the app you have to go to this setting which should be apps, and in the apps you have to select the app Alight Motion, so it should be right there. Just have to go to that option, and that option you have to go to storage, and in the storage you have to clear the data and clear the cache. So that's pretty much it that I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this